गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है डे 3 ऑफ एग्जीबिशन, फाइनल डे। चलो देखते हैं आज का दिन कैसा जाता है, क्या क्या होता है, सब कुछ। आ रही हूँ। हाय दीदी।
हाय। मेरा नाम दृष्टि कोठारी है। तो यहाँ पे मेरा काउंटर मे आई हेल्प यू का काउंटर है जो कि इंफॉर्मेशन से रिलेटेड है। सो देर आर 3 days एग्जीबिशन, 3 दिन का एग्जीबिशन था साइंस टी बोर्ड का। तो हम लोग हमारी स्कूल शारदा यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, ये होस्ट कर रही है पूरे एग्जीबिशन को। 3 दिन के एग्जीबिशन में हम लोग ने बहुत सारे मॉडल्स देखे हैं, हम लोग ने प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं और ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है। हमारा ओपनिंग प्रोजेक्ट भी वर्किंग मॉडल है, तो प्लीज़ कम एंड सी। थैंक यू।
Hello Miss, good morning. Can you introduce yourself and also how was the experience working for the science exhibition?
Myself Poonam Pathak. I am here from the day one the exhibition started. We started from the scratch. It was like we planned out all the things, then along with our children we have arranged all the corners, all the tables. It is regarding the wastage. We have to stop wastage of plastic. Like we should not use plastic, and the plastic can, if it is used, we can reuse, reduce. Like this, we have to think about our presence. What we are doing, we are just polluting Mother Earth, right? So for that, what are the present thing right now? What is going on everywhere? Pollution, air pollution is there, water pollution is there. Then we are polluting our soil. So here we have taken care of all this. What is happening in present, and how we can how we can overcome this problem, right? By using the renewable resources. Like we are using renewable resources like solar energy, wind energy, water energy, hydro energy, right? And so that, and along with it, how can we avoid pollution and how can we use our resources and we can reuse again and again, like why we have geothermal energy over here.
Can you show some of your projects?
Yeah, please. This is the area where we are showing what exactly we are facing the problem through the wastage of plastic. Our environment is getting polluted by oil, gas industries, right?
Yes.
There, in this counter, we are showing our present, how we can reuse our energies, like wind energy is there. Then we are using sun power, solar energy. Then we have over here smart city, that is our future. How we can reduce our pollution by using biofuel processing plant, right? Geothermal power plant, right? And then we have one counter where we are having how we can reuse like our plastic wastage, what we are having in kitchen, right?
Yes.
So say no to food wastage, and what all waste are there, we can put it, segregate properly, so that the dumping grounds are not landfills, the way it is getting dumped.
Yes.
So it's very difficult to segregation, right? So that can be done over here. We can use that waste material like kitchen waste in a proper way for cleaner. This ma'am has explained very well. that how we can use that kitchen waste by using the proportion over here. See, jaggery, fruit peel, water in the proportion of 2:3:10, and
Yes.
this can be used as a cleaner, very good cleaner.
Correct.
Okay? So these are the way how we can reduce our pollution.
Pollution.
Thank you. And the experience was very good. People, first day we had around 500 visitors.
Oh.
Even the teachers, the parents, they all were very happy with this initiative, so that they realize. And then we are asking our visitors to take pledge how they can reduce by reducing, reusing,
Correct.
and things like, and then save water, save Mother Earth. In that way we are asking the parents as well as the children to take pledge, so their consciousness is like they are getting, yes, we will do that pledge. And you can see that pledge ka board, how it is filled with it.
Oh. And still students I can see.
And yes, they are
Yes.
writing their views, they are pledging it, they are taking one pledge card home so that they can remember as a token. And then the second day again we had around 2,000 visitors who have seen our opening project, and they all were very happy with us, how we have taken the initiative of the children, help of the children, and they are aware, they are talking about this, so that
Right.
awareness is created. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time and for all the explanation. Thank you. Okay. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
So, can you just elaborate your work, what you are doing, and also how was your experience for last 2 days? How was it going on? And since our school is first time hosting, so how was your experience over and all, and what you learned, what you experienced, everything? Just
Okay, so me and Kavita Miss was given this duty to sit at the registration desk. So whichever school is coming with their students, we had to get them registered over here, and then we guided them to go and see the exhibition. And our experience was really good. I mean, so many children with smiling faces and inquisitiveness in their eyes were coming to see the science exhibition. And being a science teacher, it was, I mean, wonderful to see so many students with the star in their eyes and wanted to, with their book in their hand, noting and writing down what are the exhibits, full of enthusiasm. So it was a lovely experience, I think, for us also as being teachers, and students, they loved it over here.
thank you so much, Miss. Would you like to say something for that?
It was an amazing, like to see 2 days, 3 days this exhibition. So it was lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, Miss. Can you introduce yourself, and also how was the experience of past 2 days in your science exhibition, as your school is hosting for the first time? So, and also about your work, which duty are you on, and everything. Just elaborate yourself.
Good morning. I myself Shweta Singh. I am a primary teacher over here, but as the exhibition is going around, as you all can see, I have got the duty of the feedback desk, where I have to take the feedback of all the visitors, students, teachers, everyone, and we have got a good feedback from everyone. What else?
Approximately how much feedback?
We have got nearly 700-800 feedbacks in last 2 days.
Excellent. And how was the otherwise experience? Have you watched any exhibition like models? Have you experienced
It's a
watching?
good one, very innovative, you can say. Children can gain knowledge. So workshop was also very good. So it was a good experience overall for teachers also, students, and even for the parents. Everyone were enjoying themselves.
Thank you, Miss. So here some students are also there. Now they are volunteers. I want to know, hi, just introduce yourself and let me know how was past 2 days as a volunteer, what you learned, how was your experience?
My name is Vaishnavi Yadav. I am from 9th standard. From past 2 days, almost approximately 180 schools have come. There were various workshops done. Many experiments were done, and overall experience was that we came to know many things, new things about science, and how we can practically use science in our lives. Thank you.
You want to speak? Would you like to speak? Yes.
My name is Dhriti. I am from Standard 9, and like from the past 2 days, we have learned a lot of values about participating, and how we can enjoy each and every moment in life. And it was a really fruitful and enjoying experience. We have learned how we can use science in day-to-day basic things, and you know, these models are so impressive. This was so good learning.
Thank you. Would you like to speak?
My name is Jairi and I am from 9th standard. From past 2 days, we saw so many science exhibitions and we learned so many new things. Like there were different types of exhibitions on agriculture and.
Let's meet somebody else. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
So can you just tell me what work are you doing over here and on which duty you are, and also how was your experience for past 2 days and today is the third day? How is it going?
Okay. So myself, Ayush Rane. So I am the volunteer for this event held in school Sharda Ganpati International School for 3 days. It was a wonderful experience. We were experiencing from last few days. It was just that होना है होने दो, चल रहा है चलने दो, सब हो रहा है चलो. And because if a event is hosting in a school, the main backbone of all this is the volunteers. If volunteers were not there, nothing can happen. If the parents or the students are coming to visit, if they want direction where they want to go, the volunteers are the one who show them the way where to go.
So your hard work has paid off.
Yeah, the last day, it is the last day, and I feel proud to me and to all the volunteers that they have given their best from their side, and from my side I've given the best, and they are just wonderful.
Thank you. I know. Yes, I agree to that. So as a team, you all have done a very good job. Okay? Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग. मेरा नाम राजेश कुमार चौरसिया है. मैं यहाँ पे पीयून के पोस्ट पे हूँ, और हमारे स्कूल में पहली बार ऐसा एक एग्जीबिशन हो रहा है, जो कि काफ़ी स्कूल यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देख करके, और सब लोग अच्छे से सब एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करके इस स्कूल को और आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश, और भी अगले समय में कार्यक्रम होने की संभावना है. हम लोग ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि हो, यही हमारी शुभकामना है. धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू. आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम रुचिता राजेश वागने. मैं स्कूल में शारदा ज्ञानपीठ स्कूल में नर्स का काम करती हूँ. मुझे यहाँ 1-2 साल हुए हैं. यहाँ पे जो एग्जीबिशन लगा है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मतलब इतने स्कूल में मैंने काम किया, बट इतना शानदार प्रदर्शन मैंने कहाँ नहीं देखा. यहाँ की अरेंजमेंट वगैरह सब एकदम मस्त है. देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आशा करती हूँ और अगले साल भी ऐसा प्रोग्राम हो. सब मतलब सब सपोर्ट स्टाफ वगैरह, टीचर्स वगैरह सब बस मिलजुल के काम कर रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. हाय दीदी, आपका नाम क्या है?
मानसी सावंत.
हाँ, तो 2 दिन हमारे स्कूल में जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन हुआ, तो उसके ऊपर आपको क्या बोलना है? पहली बार हमने इतना बड़ा साइंस एग्जीबिशन रखा है हमारे स्कूल में.
काय ना, आमच्या स्कूलमध्ये खूप चांगला प्रोग्राम चालू आहे. 3 दिवस आम्ही खूप मेहनत करतो, सगळ्या मावशी, टीचर, स्टाफ वगैरे सगळं खूप चांगलं चालू आहे.
आपको अच्छा लगा ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस करके?
हाँ, अच्छा लगा.
और आपने ऐसे कोई 1-2 प्रोजेक्ट आपने भी देखा क्या? आपको अच्छा लगा?
प्रोजेक्ट छान वाटले. सगळे प्रोजेक्ट मस्त होते.
ठीक है.
मावशा सगळ्या आम्ही खूप मेहनत करतो. टीचर,
हो. थैंक यू दीदी सब हेल्प के लिए. गुड मॉर्निंग मिस.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
आपका नाम?
मयूरी नाइके.
और आप इस स्कूल में कौन से पोस्ट पे हो?
मैं यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट टीचर के पोस्ट पे हूँ.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे जो एग्जीबिशन हुआ है आपके स्कूल में, तो आज तीसरा दिन है, तो लास्ट 2 दिन जो एग्जीबिशन हुआ उसके ऊपर आपको क्या बोलना है?
हमारे स्कूल में जो 2 दिन से एग्जीबिशन चालू है वो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अभी तक चालू है. आज एग्जीबिशन का लास्ट डे है, और 2 दिन में जितने भी स्कूल्स यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन देखने के लिए आए हैं, उन बच्चों ने अच्छे तरीके से ये एग्जीबिशन एंजॉय किया है और बहुत कुछ सीख के गए हैं. कम से कम यहाँ पे हमारे स्कूल में 200 स्कूल ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है एग्जीबिशन में, और हमें तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो एग्जीबिशन है ये देख के बहुत सारे बच्चे इससे बहुत प्रेरित होंगे और अच्छे तरीके से वर्क करके अच्छे साइंटिस्ट भी बन सकते हैं. ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हमारे स्कूल में यहाँ पे थे, और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से एग्जीबिशन
आपको एंट्री एग्जिट भी सब संभालना था, इतना सारा क्राउड आ रहा था, तो उसके ऊपर आपको क्या बोलना है?
हमने एंट्री एग्जिट का भी अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ पे इंतज़ाम किया था। एक तरीके से हमने स्टेयर्स पे से बच्चों को जाने के लिए बोला था और हमारा जो मेन है वहाँ से हमने एग्जिट रखा था अच्छी तरीके से और अच्छे तरीके से और डिसिप्लिन के साथ बच्चे आना जाना कर रहे थे। डिसिप्लिन का कोई भी इशू यहाँ पे आया नहीं है। अच्छी तरीके डिसिप्लिन के साथ ये प्रदर्शन अभी सक्सेसफुल हो गया है।
Thank you so much and congratulations. Good morning, Miss. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, good morning. Myself Sneha Sharma. I'm a pre-primary teacher of Sharda Gyanpith International School.
And I just want to know that how was your experience for past 2 days, how it went, and what all you observed over here, over and all.
Yeah, it was very nice experience. First time I have attended PWOD exhibition, and first time in my 7 years career, the school has hosted a first time PWOD exhibition. It was a wonderful experience. We have observed so many teaching aids, projects of the children, so lovely efforts they have put on. Their explanation is wonderful. Teachers' explanation is wonderful. And yes, you can see the projects of the teachers. They have made so much efforts. It was really a nice experience. Yesterday I have attended a function in auditorium. The dance they have did, it was a wonderful performance by the other school children, and yes, even our children, a welcome dance, welcome song they have prepared. It was a wonderful dance. Overall, the exhibition was very nice, very well managed, proper managed. Everything is planned. Yeah.
Thank you so much. चलो अभी जाते हैं अगले टीचर की तरफ, उनके व्यूज़ जानते हैं. हेलो मिस, कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ?
Hello everyone, I am Miss Nidhi Kada and I am a secondary teacher from SGPIS Sharda School, where our school is hosting for PWOD exhibition.
Yes, so I want to know how was the experience for past 2 days, how it went, what you observed, and as a teacher what you learned also, that is also I want to know.
Okay, so as you can see, I am here for teaching aids. So I got to know about many different teaching aids which teachers can use in their daily curriculum. Also, I learned about many different schools using the different methods of teaching. And here you can have a look about different projects which are made by teachers.
सुप्रभात.
सुप्रभात.
आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम सुमन दुबे, इस स्कूल में हिंदी टीचर हूँ.
तो 2 दिन पे हमारे स्कूल में एग्जीबिशन हुआ, उसके ऊपर आपके क्या विचार है?
मेरे विचार बहुत सुंदर, बहुत बढ़िया, बड़ा भव्य हुआ ये PWOD का प्रदर्शनी. बहुत ही सुंदर और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. हमारे विद्यार्थियों को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और अनेक तरीकों से सीखने को मिला. बहुत सुंदर ढंग से हुआ और मुझे लगता है कि PWOD का जो विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी लिया वो अपने उद्देश्य में पूर्ण रूप से सफल हुआ. और ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि हम अपने स्कूल में PWOD प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं.
थैंक यू मिस. धन्यवाद. मिस,
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Yes, so I think you are here for discipline in charge.
Yes.
And because of you, everything is going very smoothly. So thank you for that. So I just want to know how was our experience as our school is hosting for the first time PWOD exhibition in these many years. So how you felt as a teacher working in this school and this school is hosting PWOD exhibition?
I'm very happy that I got this position to handle the discipline, and from 3 days we are doing this and everything is going very smoothly. And
so many schools have also come in your school and they have participated. So what are your views on that?
This is glad for us that we are so many schools are coming in our school. So I'm very happy. Everything is very good.
Thank you, Miss. Good morning, Miss. Kindly introduce yourself and also how was your experience hosting PWOD exhibition, since our school is hosting PWOD exhibition. So how are you feeling? Your views for the same.
Good morning, Miss. My name is Smita Dubey. I'm the primary coordinator. And yes, we all Sharda Gyanpith International teachers are feeling very proud that our school has hosted the PWOD Science Exhibition for year 2023 and 24. And yes, I was also involved. I have done the comparing of the 2 workshops, which was first workshop was conducted on 7th December, and the topic for the workshop was millets the miracle foods, and really the students have gained knowledge out of it. The next day workshop, which was on 8th of December, was all about the rockets, how the inventions of the rocket was done, and how it flies in the sky. Now, different types of forces were also, discussed, explained to the students with the help of the activities. And definitely students have gained knowledge from both the workshops. So yes, I'm feeling very happy, and one thing is that I'm feeling very proud of it, and teachers, Sharda Gyanpith international teachers are really very happy working for P-Ward Science Exhibition. Thank you.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself Shraddha Rai from Sharda Gyanpith International School. I'm working here in Science Department.
Okay, so how was your experience as our school is hosting P-Ward exhibition for the first time? So how are you feeling and your views?
Well, I'm very happy that our school got first opportunity for hosting. So here our teachers and students have taken parts. Even my project is also there. Even I have made one project that is based on the agriculture, because where I am standing, it is this floor is occupied like an agriculture theme is there. So my project is also theme is related to agriculture only.
So can we just have a look at your project?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Is basically based on, this is a hydroponic farming, and this farming is based on like we are doing the farming with water, by using water with nutrients without soil. In place of soil we are using this farming, and basically this farming, by using this farming we can grow and plant this
हाँ चल चलेगा start.
Okay, this is a hydroponic farming, and this farming is where we are growing the plants by using water with nutrients in place of the soil. Here you can see that we are supplying the water through this pipe, and it is going in this bottle, and this plants is getting the all nutrients, and then same water is coming down into this bottle, and here also plants are getting the nutrients continuously. This process is happening continuously, so the growth of the plant is faster than our soil based traditional method. And here this farming is useful basically for the exotic plants, which is quite costly. We can grow with this farming. Even the area where the people are getting like a desert area or concrete or jungle side area, where all the people they are getting vegetable by transporting other side. So for them also this farming is useful. So, and even it is very useful in the future for the next generation.
Thank you, Miss. और इतना अच्छे से आपने समझाया. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. With this method we can save our water also, because here we are recycling and reusing the water.
Thank you, Miss. Good morning, Miss. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Shelly Dias, and I'm a pre-primary teacher of Sharda Gyanpith International School.
Okay, so how was your experience as our school is hosting P-Ward exhibition for the first time? So how you felt?
P-Ward exhibition, actually first it was a big question mark towards me, because I had never heard about it. And right now, when our school is going through it, and today is the closing ceremony of it, I really feel very good, very nice experience. It's a first time experience wherein many schools just coming in and looking towards things, different varieties of models and whatnot. I got the work, like hard work, which the teachers have already taken, even the kids have taken. It's marvelous, and it was amazing experience. Everyone should have it once.
Thank you so much for your views. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Anusha Suresh, and I am a pre-primary teacher in Sharda Gyanpith International School.
Your experience as a, how you felt experiencing P-Ward exhibition?
It is really a very good experience. Like, this is the first time I have attended this kind of an exhibition where so many schools schools are attending, and the students, their effort, the teachers, their effort is really appreciable. Like they have put there so much of effort, and it's really very nice. And the way they explain their project, and it was really nice.
Thank you so much, Miss, for your views. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, teacher.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I am Miss Achal Sotka from pre-primary. I am the class teacher of Junior KGD. Regarding the science exhibition held in our school, our school is fortunate that we have got the opportunity to host P-Word science exhibition, and it is a very overwhelming experience to see teachers preparing such beautiful exhibits and going out of their way to make teaching aids so that the teaching of the students can be easier and they can get hands-on experience with their tough topics. So I guess it's really good and they have done a great job.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Namrata Shah and I'm a teacher over here. I teach English and I teach SS and I teach geography for 5th standard, for 7th standard and for 8th standard.
Okay, so how are your views as our school is hosting this P-Word exhibition?
I'm feeling really great, really excited about this because this is also my first experience of witnessing such a big exhibition at a ward level. So really very happy about it to be a part of the exhibition, and I hope I get to see more such exhibitions in my school in future at the same level.
Thank you so much, Miss.
Thank you.
सुप्रभात.
सुप्रभात.
आपका परिचय?
मैं माध्यमिक विभाग में हिंदी की शिक्षिका हूँ और जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं एग्जीबिशन की तैयारी हो चुकी है और जोर शोर से है.
तो आपके क्या विचार है इस P-Word के एग्जीबिशन को लेके जो हमारे स्कूल ने पहली बार होस्ट किया है?
बहुत ही अच्छा अनुभव है. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे ज्ञान का प्रसार है और जैसे आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे वर्किंग मॉडल है हमारे विद्यार्थियों का जो कि आकर्षक केंद्र है आज के इस प्रोग्राम का और बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. अलग अनुभव है. कई विद्यालय आए हैं तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि ज्ञान का भंडार एक जगह ही एकत्रित हो गया है. बहुत ही अच्छा अनुभव है और आशा है कि विद्यार्थी इससे विशेष ज्ञान पाएंगे और प्रोत्साहन पाएंगे और हम शिक्षकों के लिए भी ये सीखने का अच्छा मंच है.
शुक्रिया.
इसी के साथ तीसरे दिन का पहला पार्ट यहीं समाप्त होता है. बने रहना अगले पार्ट के लिए, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब.